What happened to you, Marcus? Tell Jimmy what happened to you.
I just got out the pool.
Tell the truth what just happened to you. Tell the truth.
I got out the pool then.
It's raining outside. What pool?
Huh?
Huh?
You gotta sit wet, go get that chair.
Yeah. Where's the kid?
He fell in the puddle while walking home. Sad, sad, sad.
Shut up, little magic.
Look. Now this spray went right here. I'm gonna put my foot on there and step down.
Look at the bubbles. What happened to you?
I'm gonna go home. Football practice.
You like a football practice?
It's wet.
What?
And his mama would
It's
not
hot.
take him.
Yes, she was. Shut up.
My water was so wet.
Water's wet. It's hard for a football player. Can't get your hair. See all the wetness in his hair.
I only did a couple plays and some sprints.
How you gotta get down to the ground again? How you gotta get down? Show me how you get down. Show me how you get down. Show me how you gotta get down.
You know.
Show me how you get down. Show me.
No.
Show me play. Show me play.
Bro, look at my undershirt.
Something.
Do it again. He weekend. That was a rough day for
Look at the
Rob.
bubble coming on my shoulder. I'm glad I think that's funny.
You got any words for the camera?
Fuck ring.